Hello and welcome back to the channel. It's the holidays, and if you're Filipino, I bet you've been splurging on lechon, pansit, kare-kare, kakanin, and pretty much everything that feeds your soul. So for today's video, I'm going to be sharing my recipe for a guilt-free, dairy-free, and vegan tablea chocolate mousse. I also wouldn't be cooking alone because today, a social media personality is joining me in the channel. So please help me welcome Miss Darlene Reyes of Philam Connection. Hello, Miss Darlene!
Hello, Chef Paolo. Hello, everyone. How are you? How are you, Chef Paolo?
I am doing well. Thank you so much for being here. Maraming salamat, Miss Darlene. It truly is an honor. I have been a fan for a very long time. She is a social media personality here in Houston. So I'm truly honored because I asked her to be in the channel and she said yes. So thank you guys. Thank you.
I'm so happy to be here also. I'm so happy to be here on your YouTube channel. The long-awaited vlog, you know?
Yes,
Finally,
yes.
it's happening now.
I know before we start, Miss Darlene, maraming salamat. Are you ready?
I'm ready and I'm excited finally for this tablea chocolate
mousse.
mousse.
Yes.
Because I'm on a diet right now, so perfect. Para sa akin and for you na mga nagda-diet.
Tama guys kasi holiday. So, you know. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. So, ang first atong buhaton, atong ibutang sa food processor first ang tablea.
So, 5 pieces of tablea lang siya. Okay. Drop.
Okay, so ato ni siyang i-pulse. And
Okay, larga bola. Let's play Lotto! Ano siya murag dapat powder na gyud siya, no?
that would be like personal choice. Ako ganahan mo kung anay mga bits and pieces.
Okay.
But ang tablea, if inyo siyang tilawan nga imurang kaunon, kay it's really gonna be bitter. So, kung dili mo ganahan ana nga murag dako nga bite kay mas pino inyong buhaton, but I actually like it this way nga murag naapay murag dagko
A
nga
little
chunks.
bitter, yes.
Oh. So, you know, again, preference na pud ni siya. But also, now that we mentioned it, ang tablea is also really good for you because it's 100% cacao and it also helps nga magpataas sa imuhang HDL levels.
Oh, HDL, the good cholesterol
Yes,
level.
yes.
We need
And
that.
you know what is also gonna help increase that? Avocado.
Avocado!
So, ang avocado, guys,
Good fats.
Yes. So, mauni siya ang atong buhaton nga base para sa ato ang chocolate mousse.
Avocado and tablea.
Okay, so
Combination.
these are 5 Hass avocados. What I highly suggest and what I found out when I was testing this recipe, the more nga ripe, the better for this recipe. And the reason is, imo manggod siyang i-blend. If it's smooth, mas dali siya mumix.
Oh, okay. Right. So how many avocados again do we need?
So we need 5 avocados.
Some people think na avocado is unhealthy.
Mm.
But you know what? It's still better than the cream that we buy from the grocery
Yeah,
store.
so I used to think as a kid na, you know, avocado is not good for you kasi it's high in cholesterol, but it's actually high in good cholesterol. So actually, guys, it's really good for you. A couple of things that I like to add just to increase the richness of the mousse.
Oh, tablea chocolate spread.
Yeah, so this tablea chocolate spread is nakuha ko siya sa Manila. So from my friends at Patisserie Chocolat, which is also where I got the tablea from. But this video is not sponsored by them. So kung wala naman kayong access sa tablea chocolate spread, pwede naman kayong gumamit ng any vegan chocolate na meron kayo. Kuha lang kayo ng isang bar, tsaka i-melt nyo siya o ilagay nyo siya sa microwave and then ilagay nyo siya dito. So,
Any brand.
yeah, so any brand. So, it's a healthy version of parang Nutella. Pero kapag i-try nyo siya, hindi siya matamis. Okay.
Can I try this?
Oo naman.
Na-curious lang ako ha. It tastes like Nutella talaga.
It's really good.
Lami ka siya guys. Magi siya Nutella pero it's healthier.
The reason why I developed this recipe too is kasi nga, known kasi tayo, mga Pilipino, na gumagawa tayo ng desserts na maraming condensed milk, na rice base.
Masyadong matamis.
Which are all good. Like, I really enjoy all of them. Pero once in a while, maganda din yung gagawa ka ng recipe na hindi ka magigilting kumain. Kaya nga, ginawa ko to.
So this is perfect guys.
So I'm also trying to lose weight, guys. At saka ayoko din naman na syempre marami kang gini-give up. So maganda din yung ganito. So half cup imong butang, and then like I said, like this is healthy,
So
you know,
okay lang.
alternative. So okay lang talaga siya. Tsaka, yung recipe na to is gonna be good for 4 to 6 people. So,
okay.
you know, hindi siya, kahit marami siyang tingnan, marami naman kayong magdi-divide. So, what you also want to do is we're gonna thin it out. So, we are gonna go ahead and add half a cup ng agave. So, agave yung ilalagay natin because agave is also a vegan alternative. Like I said, I'm trying to be vegan in this recipe. So, yan yung gagamitin natin.
Wow.
So, the only thing na hindi vegan sa recipe na to is the chocolate spread that I used. But like I said, you can always use any chocolate bar na meron kayo na vegan if you want this to be vegan. Okay, so to thin it out, we're gonna put also half a cup ng oat milk. Right? Or you can also use almond milk, or kung gusto niyo talagang mag-indulge, pwede din naman yung full fat milk. Hindi ko naman kayo pagbabawalan yan. To continue with the recipe, maglalagay din tayo ng half a cup ng cocoa powder. Ito ko na lang siya i-measure kasi mahuhulog na naman siya, guys.
That's 1/2 cup, right?
Yes, this is half a cup of cocoa powder. So, makikita nyo guys, pag blend natin, it's also just gonna really come together. Okay, so the last thing that we are going to be using for this recipe para sa mousse base is some salt. So, about 1/4 teaspoon ng salt. So, the reason why maglalagay tayo ng asin is because kung gusto nyo ng mga sweet desserts, kapag maglalagay kayo ng asin, mas natitaste nyo yung sweetness.
Oh, talaga?
Kaya gustong-gusto ko din yung mga desserts na merong flaky salt sa taas.
Oh!
So, ayan. Maglalagay lang tayo ng asin.
That's cool.
Oo. Okay, so, blend na natin. See, so at this point, merong mga avocado chunks na nakikita nyo. Malalaman nyo na it's gonna be ready if wala na kayong makikitang ganyan. So it needs to be smooth as, you know, what you want it to be. Okay.
Tapos
Ayan.
na? It's finished?
No, so ito na yung chocolate mousse base na ilalagay natin.
Oh, it's the base.
Oo, so para makita nyo, so ayan. Ilalagay natin siya sa mga lalagyan. And before natin siya i-chill. So, kayo na yung mag-estimate guys. So, kung gaano karami yung gusto nyong ilagay, we just wanna make sure na hindi siya through the rim. And the reason is, maglalagay pa kasi tayo ng coconut na whipping cream. So,
so this is not the finished product.
Hindi. So, okay lang kahit hindi siya perfect. Kung gusto nyo na maganda yung presentation, hindi kailangan na perfect siya.
Matatakpan din naman.
Oo. So ngayon naman, what we're gonna go ahead and do is we're gonna put it in the fridge. You might wanna cool this for a couple of hours para lang mag-set siya, the flavors would marry with each other, at saka kapag mas malamig siya, mas sarap kasi siya, guys. Okay.
The flavors will marry.
Nasa ref na yung mga mousse natin na base.
Yes.
So at this point, we are going to be making coconut cream.
And what is this?
Yan ay homemade vanilla extract.
Homemade vanilla extract.
So kung wala kayo yan, pwede naman store-bought, guys. The first ingredient that we will be using for the coconut cream is actually coconut milk. So, meron akong coconut milk na nasa ref. Okay? So, malamig siya. Sige, pwede mo naman siyang hawakan. Pero wag mo siyang i-shake. Kasi...
Okay, ako lang mag-shake. Okay?
So, and the reason why I told her not to shake it, it's nag-solidify kasi siya sa loob. At saka meron siyang portion na liquid. So, papakita ko pagbukas natin.
And while I'm doing this, I'd like to invite everyone to please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Subscribe kayo, guys! Nako!
Phil-Am Connection!
Yes!
Okay,
yes.
nalibog yata. Phil-Am Connection, hindi naman cooking yung akin.
I
usually cover Filipino events here in Houston, Texas.
Merong cream na nag-form sa taas. So, yan yung gusto nyo. At you also want yung full fat na coconut milk. So, yung mga low fat, it doesn't really work well dito. So, ilalagay lang natin siya. Ilalagay lang natin yung solid na yung solid portion ng coconut milk. So, kung merong watery, hindi nyo na ilalagay yung watery kasi usually yung watery nasa baba. To this, I'm also gonna go ahead and add 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. Not all of them are vegan, so you want to make sure na yung nakukuha nyo is yung vegan version ng powdered sugar.
Yes.
And what's good about it too is kasi yung powdered sugar, meron siyang cornstarch. So, yung cornstarch is also gonna help solidify yung
The
cream.
coconut cream.
Oo.
Okay.
So,
panindigan na natin ang pagda-diet. So,
and then the last thing, of course, is yung
ito na.
vanilla extract. So, 1 teaspoon lang ng vanilla extract yung ilalagay natin.
Oh.
I-shake na natin siya and it-mix natin. Kung wala naman kayong stand mixer na ganito, okay lang na yung gagamitin nyo ay yung hand mixer.
Yeah, manual.
Manual.
Shake.
Ang coconut mango na.
Shake, come on. Shake. Sabayan natin, go.
So, merong mga nasa gilid na powdered sugar. So, make sure nyo lang din na na-incorporate siya.
Ayan na! Oh my gosh! I'm so amazed to see it become
Ayan.
thicker and thicker.
Oo.
Kasi kanina parang tubig talaga eh. And now it's really thick.
So kung titingnan nyo, gaganyan na talaga siya.
Oh my gosh! Yes. I'm excited.
Kukunin na natin yung chocolate mousse galing sa ref. It has been chilling for
Okay.
2 hours now. So malamig na siya. And we're gonna go ahead and pipe some of the coconut cream. Yeah.
So,
Bango, no? Ng coconut cream.
Yes. As I've said, perfect sa mga nagda-diet dyan. Alright.
Ayan.
Oh my gosh!
So, i-cover mo lang yung buong top layer. Ayan. So, tingnan nyo, pwede nyo siyang i-shake ng ganyan.
Shake.
So, pwede nyo siyang i-shake ng ganyan. So, meron na kayong
So no
chocolate
need to
at saka top layer. So, yan. So, to finish it off, maglalagay tayo ng raspberry. Usually, yung gusto ko is lalagyan ko lang siya sa isang corner ng ganyan.
Okay.
Ayan.
Pwede rin ganito. Paikot.
Kukuha tayo ng tableya. Gagamitin natin to, tapos isi-shave mo siya dun sa taas. Ayan. So, nagko-contrast yung white at saka yung black. Ayan! So, nakagawa na tayo ng healthy chocolate mousse. Ayan, guys. So, tikman na natin. Okay! So, it's time to taste. Ayan. Medyo naghirap din tayo. Marami din yung steps. But this is the final product. So, itatry na natin.
And it looks so beautiful.
Oh.
Yeah.
Ayan. Okay.
Oh my gosh!
Ayan.
Alright.
So, yung perfect bite, kuha ka ng mousse, at saka ng cream, at saka kuha ka ng raspberry.
Lahat perfect bite for me. Okay. Oh my gosh! Lamig ko siya.
Diba? And I think what's good about it too is, dili ka magilty. Kaya kabaw ka kung saang naa sa food. You know? I think it's important na every once in a while, magbuhat sa taga-sipping healthy, no? Pero
You know
kanang hindi
what?
ma-tolerate. No?
I think daghan siya tanawon, but I think it's just enough. It's because lamig kayo siya, so you will eat more. Pero again, lesser calories, so healthy, and it's vegan, so perfect!
Yay! Okay, well, before we end, I just really want to say thank you again, Miss Darlene, for being here and for guesting on this channel. Anything you want to say to the
Yeah,
audience
my pleasure also. I'm so happy to learn these things kasi I'm not a kitchen person, you know. Right now, I've learned something from you. Thank you. I'm going to try this at home. Definitely. I think my kids will love this. And my husband too.
Ayan.
Okay, thank you again,
Thank
Chef
you.
Paolo.
Okay, so if you guys like recipes like this, you can see more over here. All right.
Yes, bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you again. Thank you talaga.
Salamat.
Thank you guys. Thank